Welcome. In front of me is a TCL 50 Pro NxtPaper, and today I will show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, we are going to navigate into the settings, and from here scroll down to storage right over here. Next, tap on the drop-down menu right over here and select your SD card. Now click on the three dots and select Format. This will bring up a window letting you know that formatting will erase all the content that is stored on the SD card, which would include things like photos, videos, music, and more. So obviously, if you have anything that you'd like to preserve, make a copy of it before you go any further. Now, assuming you have already made a copy or just simply don't want to, you can click Format right over here, and this will now begin formatting your SD card, which only takes a couple seconds, and we can click on Done once it's finished, and that's it. You're now good to go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.